5:05 a.m. I'm getting ready for school. Actually, like, welcome back to my channel. I'm on a COVID gaming.
Vlog yan.
Vlog.
Iharap mo yung
Vlog.
screen dito.
Vlog, be.
Iharap
Vlog,
mo
be.
yung screen
Vlog.
dito, bro.
Vlog, be.
Ang ganda ka, play.
Vlog. Vlog. Vlog, be. Vlog talaga. Ayaw niyo maniwala na nagwa-vlog ako. I'm starting this vlog. Kanina ko pa siya ka-call. Wala siyang tulog. Ayaw niyo maniwala na nagwa-vlog ako. Vlog nga.
Vlog talaga yan.
Vlog nga. Vlog. Vlog.
Vlog or life update. Ulo, bala ka dyan.
Vlog nga.
Wala akong tulog.
Ako rin naman. So guys, ayaw niyo maniwala na nagwa-vlog ako. Wala lang sinasabi ko lang I'm getting ready for school, ganyan. Sige na nga, wag na.
What the fuck, man? Can't drop shit like that, man. Fuck you.
Tagalinis ng aircon kayo. Ala ko naman, nilininis eh. Nako, ayusin.
Gago na ako ngalan yun.
So as you can guess, I'm alone again. I'm the first one here again. So sorry, I'm just like that masipag, you know. But anyways, I'm just gonna chill here and just like wait for my friends. I woke up like so early today. I woke up around 1. So yeah, have sleep today, so I'm a little in a good mood, you know.
babalik pa siya. May babalik ako in this because gotta hit the gym gym because
Tapos magchat-chat. Tapos magchat-chat yung mga kakamagbe. Hindi ako makalakad.
Oy, hindi ako mag-message sa'yo, promise, guys. I need this as well, so pag-ihirap. Pero actually, nalambot talaga yung skills. Physically fit.
You're like physically active.
Or physically active para sa'yo. Tapos siya, binigla niya ako, 3 sets siya ng 3 sets. Sabi ko, 2 sets lang.
Ganun naman kasi talaga yun.
First time ko alam.
Oo nga, ganun talaga yun.
As someone na palaging puyat, hindi kumakain, hindi rin physically active, parang torture siya. Sana maintindihan mo.
Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, gumawa siya workout, kahapon, kasi wala rin naman siyang pasok. Hindi siya gumawa.
First time ko lang magutom na gusto kong kumain. Ngayon.
Ayun, nagagawa ng gym.
Kasi pag gutom talaga, hinahaya ako lang, girl.
Yung gutom, di ba?
Oo, like,
Kaya mo lang.
Hanggang
Pero
sa
kasi
makakala ko pag nanginginig na ako.
Oo, ganyan din ako.
Kasi shit, gusto ko ng chicken. Chicken, gusto ko ng egg. Gusto ko ng sampo.
Pro.
Ayun yung naiisip ko ngayon. Tapos naglalaway ako kanina pa.
Hindi ka kumain bago ako pumunta dito. Hindi. Oh.
Kailangan ba kung akala ko
Oo.
after? Akala ko after.
Before and after. Ewan ko, bahala na to. Hi guys. So, tapos na ako mag-ayos. Here's Kimmy. Normal lang. Soft girl. Soft.
Sumbong kaya kita. Kagup niya kasi.
Kasama ko sila.
Sabi niya.
Nag-aaral siya. She is such a good like student. Nag-aaral, sipag. Nakapang-gym pa siya. Ang sipag niya, guys. Sipag.
A practical guide to using oral contraceptive pills. Guide to use
Kanina pa siya. Kanina pa siya, guys.
Condoms the right way. Condoms, even when used correctly, don't guarantee 100% protection against STIs or unplanned pregnancy. Keep in mind that condoms may break, especially if they are not stored properly or a water-based lubricant is not used. Are for single use only and cannot be reused. Hindi na reuse. So,
Dugyot naman.
so ginagawa niya.
Aha?
Nahuli ko
ano
siya,
lang.
guys.
Ano lang nagtanong siya?
Pwede talaga ako maging abogado. This is for me. This is for me.
Ito ka bobo yung ano. Kung ganito ka bobo yung client. Or like yung ano mo.
English.
Talagang
Sana
pwede.
hindi kita maging client in the future kasi bobo ka sa pagod ang bilis mo.
Guilty agad eh.
Guilty ka. Yung mga nakuha niyo sa lesson na i-apply mo mamaya.
Wala ka nang nangyari. Wala mo nangyari.
Parang disappointed ka.
Hindi ako disappointed.
Pero sa Saturday.
Ay, sa Saturday ako lang talaga. Hi guys, good morning. It's April 10, Friday. And it's 25:22 a.m. I'm getting ready for school. I'm wearing this because I'm gonna go live after I film this. I'm gonna get ready with me. This and not my uniform yet because I don't wanna go on live and like have my uniform, you know. I'm also bringing this because we have research defense later. No, I'm just telling you my agenda for today. And what I did this week was literally nothing at all. Nothing. Last Wednesday I went to help a friend with their makeup because they had a photo shoot and they wanted me to do their makeup, so I did, and I went with them to the photo shoot. That's pretty much it.
I just went to school. Then, it was holiday yesterday. Kaya, wala rin ako masyadong films. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys when I'm leaving. I'll probably get coffee. Sana hindi sumakit tiyan ko. But, I'm gonna get coffee, then go to school. Saturday right now, and I'm getting ready because we have robotics. Seryoso ba? Kahapon? By Joe Regan. Sakit? Oh my gosh, that hurts. Kunin mo na din ito. Bigyan mo sa kanya yung susunod. Siya ko kanya yung susunod. Parang pinalo pa. Going to ate ba? Saya siya.
Kuya, ito ba din? Kotse ba may unang dos? Wala.
Ano lang naman sa primera. We're gonna go. look, guys.
Baka beer nga. Beer.
Uy, Tam!
Bago pre, namalik na kayo lolo ko.
So I got new earphones because my bro is testing this out. So hi guys. And ako na naman mag-isa dito. Ako na naman ang una. So
I got home like 20 minutes ago and I'm drinking protein. But yeah, oh my gosh, I love this bodysuit so much. This is new. This is from Hottie Diary. Can you see my back? Oh my god. That looks nice. Nothing really happened today. Just school. Then I went to the gym. I'm getting distracted by my back because it looks so good in this. Like, can you see that, guys? The gym is literally working, so this is, if you're looking for a sign to go to the gym, this is it. Okay, I swear to God. I swear to God. Do you see that? Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop. I'll stop now. Oh, I forgot. I got my ears pierced like last Saturday, so. No, I actually didn't forget because I filmed it. Wow, I'm being forgetful already.
Pagupit.
Basket. Ayaw mo. Bakit? Gusto mo.
Nababalak nyo. Lagi tayo basag kay sir. Baka mawawin yan. Ano, basagin ko ulit? Ay, oo. Ay.
ano naman kasama ko?
Hindi, may mga kasama pa tayo.
Wala. Guys, bad trip sila dito.
Wait.